Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be like one of my OG videos of what I eat in a day while doing low carb. I probably said this in my last video, but right after Thanksgiving, my weight went up to 170, and like 160s is good for me. That's a good place. It's a good weight, you know? But when I saw 170, I'm like, okay, like now like something has to be done. I have to change something. So that's what we're doing today. And you know, the OG for me and what works for me is doing low carb and eating keto friendly things. Just again, because it works for me. I gain pretty quickly and I lose pretty quickly. And I wouldn't say I'm yo-yoing, but I know my body very well and I react very well to low carb and keto. So anyways, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today, show you guys what I eat in a day and strictly show you guys what I eat in a day and what I cook, and you know, all the fun stuff. So right now it's actually 12 o'clock. I've not eaten since yesterday. So I say this in every video, but I do intermittent fast every day. Maybe on the weekends I'll probably have breakfast a little bit earlier because the kids are home, but like that's probably the only exception. But I'm always doing intermittent fasting. I always eat between 12 and 6, and that is just, it works for me. So, and then when I incorporate low carbs or low calories, I definitely see a big difference with doing like the combination. So let's find breakfast. I don't know what we're gonna make, but we'll figure it out. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. So we've got turkey bacon. I think we're just gonna make literally what I had in my last video, which is a really good breakfast, but maybe we'll switch up the eggs. Why is my lens so blurry? Is that better? Oh yeah, that's a lot better. So we're gonna throw some turkey bacon in the air fryer. I don't know why every time I buy my turkey bacon from Walmart, they like shrivel up like this. When I buy it from like Sam's Club or Jar and Eagle, it's like normal, but like literally every time. And I think it's the, what is it, like Turkey Ball brand or something ball brand? Anyways, guys, this is my breakfast. So I do have avocado, but I think I'm gonna save that for another day. 2 eggs over medium. I wish I had some keto toast. That would like be so good right now. But I have strawberries and 3 pieces of turkey bacon. So this is gonna be breakfast. Guys, I started to make a video for you guys, but then I forgot to pick up the camera for the rest of the day. So here's a new day. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. I know it's been like a week since we've last seen each other, but today I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you guys what I eat in a day and the meals that I make. Everything is gonna be keto friendly and low carb in this video. So it's almost Christmas, you guys. So if I don't see you guys before Christmas, I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, a happy holiday, and a happy new year. I hope everyone gets to enjoy their day with great people, with their loved ones, with their family and their friends. And you know, it's such a special day or time throughout the year because it only happens once. And it's just like, to some people it just feels magical and it just feels nice and cozy, you know, and then it's the new year and then everything is like crazy again. So anyways, I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas to you and your family. I am a little sick. I have a stuffy nose and I've been coughing. I don't think it's anything crazy, maybe just like a little cold. I've been taking Sudafed, 24-hour Sudafed, and it does work, but then like after the 24 hours it wears off and then to take another one, and it's it's been like this for the past 4 days. So if I don't get better soon, I'll probably go into like urgent care or Med Express or something. But anyways, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. It is currently 11 a.m. and I've not eaten anything yet. So we'll go down in a little bit and we'll make breakfast, lunch, dinner, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so I boiled eggs, so we're gonna go ahead and peel them now, and then I have sausage in the air fryer, and then I actually don't know what we're like really making yet, but we're gonna figure it out. So the eggs are still like kind of soft, they're not super hard, which is how I like it. It was on the boil, or it was on the boil. It was boiling for maybe 9 minutes. And I can like tell it's like not super hard, it's like soft. So I got this little gadget a few months ago actually, and it's been sitting in the box. I haven't opened it, but I used it yesterday for not the first time, but a few times. I'm gonna cut the eggs in here, and I'm actually not gonna use this, but it does come with this, and really nice to have if you're like cutting something and like there's a lot of it, and there's so many other like little things that you can do, but I really just like this one where it just cuts it into like squares. But I'm actually not gonna use this. It's gonna go right into the bowl, so we're just gonna do it just like that. Okay, so first egg, and then when you do it, you want to make sure you do it fast. See, you just want to, and that's it. And then you just have to clean this part, and look at the eggs, guys. It just came out so good. I didn't have to mash it up or cut it, and it's just perfect. So the sausage is still in the air fryer, so let me just do like salt, pepper, garlic powder, pepper, everything but the bagel seasoning, and a little bit of crushed red pepper. And this is a lot of protein, guys. This is so good if you're trying to get lots of protein in. I do have a little bit of green onion. I'm just gonna cut some in here just for taste and color. All right, we've got our sausage. I just cut it up into like little pieces. All right, this is a really good protein little bowl, and then we're gonna do more green onion. And there you have it, guys. Just a little like breakfast protein bowl. Literally no carbs, just lots of eggs, lots of sausage, a little bit of green onion, a little bit of seasoning. You guys can add things to this if you want to add like hot sauce, ranch, ketchup, you know, maybe like sugar-free syrup, I don't know, but I'm just gonna have it like this, and this is going to be my breakfast. So let's go and eat. Okay guys, we are at Target. We're gonna sit in the car for a few minutes though, because there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of cars just vroom, 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 vroom. So I have Micah here with me. If you want to say hi, Micah. You want to say hi to our YouTube fam?
Hi. So
I think this isn't keto friendly, and I don't think it's lower carb, but my favorite drink to go to if it's not coffee at Starbucks is a peach green tea lemonade. It has caffeine in it from the green tea extract, and it's not as sweet. I don't add the sugar cane syrup in. I don't know if it's syrup, it's like sugar cane sweetener. I don't know what this S stands for. It either stands for syrup or sweetener, but I don't ask for it, so it's not super sweet, and there's no added sugars in it because I don't ask for that. But I don't know I've been trying to look it up online to see like how much carbs is in that drink without the classic sugar cane sweetener or sugar or syrup. This is with the sweetener in it. It's only 80 calories, but there's 21 grams of carbs, 18 grams of sugar, but I'm not seeing it. Oh, okay, so it stands for sugar, not sweetener or syrup. You can also order it as unsweetened. You can order unsweetened peach green tea lemonade, and then they won't add the cane sugar. Oh my gosh, I can't find it. But anyway, it is lower in calories. At the least, it is lower in calories. So I think I'm just gonna get like a little grande, and it's about, probably without the liquid cane sugar, it's probably like 40 to 50 calories. That's what I assume. But I can't like guesstimate on the sugar or the carbs. But yeah, we're here to just get a few Secret Santa gifts that are due tomorrow. Last minute girly. So we're gonna do that. And then we have to figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. Yesterday we had tacos. It was delicious. We do have a little bit left over. I think I'm gonna have that when I get home as like my lunch, just like a little small thing with like a tortilla. And then for dinner tonight, I don't know what we're gonna make. I want to just grab like a rotisserie chicken or like steak or something quick and simple. I don't know. Okay, let's go in. I'll show you guys the drink that I do decide to get, and we will go from there. Yes. No, Micah, you cannot get something every time we come to Target. All right, let's go. We're at a different store. Target was so crazy, but I'm just grabbing a rotisserie chicken. So I'm gonna make a quick little lunch snack. It is 4 o'clock, so we're gonna start on dinner, but I am a little hungry. I haven't eaten since our egg sausage breakfast this morning. I'm gonna make like a little taco. We had tacos last night, so I'm just gonna make like a little taco, add some lettuce, cheese, and just call it my little snack or lunch. Okay guys, my little snack slash lunch, just a little taco, and then I'm actually gonna start on dinner now for the kids and for myself, but just a little something. Kids are also eating leftover tacos. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube. Someone's eating tacos. Someone's having his with Doritos tacos. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Look. Thumbs up.
Watch On This Family. Bye.
Bye. Let them see you eat your taco. Uh-oh. Sit down. It's gonna spill. Okay, take a bite. Yeah, big bite. Ooh, yummy. Is it yummy? Yeah. Do you like tacos? Yeah? Mike is also having a taco.
Watch On This Family.
No, watch All Things Kim. Alright, this is their little dinner, lunch. Hey, what? Hey, I saw that. Alright guys, it is dinner time. As you guys saw, I grabbed a rotisserie chicken. I also grabbed mashed potatoes for the family. I'm not gonna have any. I'm gonna actually have green beans. These are my favorite green beans. They're garlic butter green beans by Bird's Eye. You can throw it right on the skillet. You guys can add like bacon or anything, like any type of pork or beef or whatever. You don't have to add anything at all. Just cook it like this. But you can add like, I don't know, like bacon or something. And I think that would be really, really good. And then, in my last video, I made chicken thighs, and I saved the chicken drippings. So this is like maybe like 4 days old. And I'm gonna make chicken gravy out of this. That way, the family can pour it over their mashed potatoes and their green beans. So yeah, let's make dinner. And then in the same pan, we're gonna make our green beans. And that way it has the chicken seasoning. Oh, and the flavor, it's gonna be so good. Okay, green beans are done. Super duper easy. And the garlic butter that comes with it is just very delicious. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes. All right guys, dinner is ready. So I'm gonna have the green beans and the chicken, and then I made the gravy. So good. And then mashed potatoes. So like getting rotisserie chicken is just so weird because I like this part here. So I always have to like, yes, I'm using my hands. Like this is my favorite part right here. Like all this meat. Ugh. And then we're gonna do green beans. And then when Jamal gets home, he can have the mashed potatoes with the gravy. I do just like want to put a little bit of gravy on my green beans. Just literally like a tablespoon. And this is dinner, you guys. Kind of reminded me of like green bean casserole in a way. But sorry, the itsy bitsy spider is playing really loud in the background. But this is my dinner. Simple, quick, and easy. Okay guys, I'm done with dinner. I'm so full, but we're gonna end it off with something sweet. This is one of my favorites. It's from Costco, I believe, or Sam's, maybe Costco. It's a sea salt caramel keto ice cream bar. It is so good. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. So it kind of reminds me of like Haagen-Dazs, like ice cream. So good. So we're gonna end the night with ice cream. It's pretty late, guys. It's almost 9. Jamal came home late, but I'm fixing him his plate now. So just wanted to show you guys his little plate. Chicken, green beans, mashed potatoes with the gravy. It's pretty cold, so it's like all clumpy. So I'm just gonna microwave it. Okay guys, I'm ending the video here. It is late. I'm gonna head to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it wasn't like a crazy video, but it was like a realistic day of what I eat in a day. Trying to keep it low carb and keto friendly, you know, trying to get to our goals. We've had our fun, so it's time to like buckle down and do it. So anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.